Hey guys, it's Corey. So welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going through a video of when I got my cams upgraded on the Toyota Soarer. And so the video was mostly filmed at the early 2020. However, it's all time-lapse stuff, so I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the process. So I think I figured it out. Basically, I'm just going to do the time-lapse and do a voiceover walkthrough of what we're doing with it and everything like that. There is no sound clips of after the install. However, that footage is included in the Toyota Soarer reveal video. So go ahead and check back onto that one, or wait for a couple more weeks and then you'll have another video with more sound clips. Alright, so let's get after it, guys, and let's get into the time lapse. So this clip shows the parts that we installed: cams, timing belt, cam gears, new seals, gaskets, new crank pulley. This clip shows the teardown of the top end of the engine, taking off the coil packs, valve covers, all that jazz. Here we go with the crank pulley being taken out, taking off the timing cover, taking off the timing belt. Here's where he's putting on new lube for the new cam on the exhaust side, taking off the stock cam on the intake side and replacing it with BC264 cam for the intake side. Here's the GoPro view of the same process, and then we pull it out of the shop, hose it down because it was leaking. Here we got the cam gears going on, and he's making sure that they're all in place, and make sure that the adjustments on it are tight in zero position. All right, in this clip, we're just putting everything back together and putting the top covers back on, coil packs, all that jazz. Fluid damper pulleys going on, and so this is pretty much it. He's wanted to make sure that it started before we put everything back together and make sure it ran. It was fine. Then we just buttoned everything up and took it for a drive and it was ready to go. So that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Sorry I didn't actually get any sound clips of the cam install and car running with the cams on it, but hopefully you'll see that soon in another video. If you guys enjoyed this time-lapse video, then let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Put it down in the comment section. And until the next video, peace guys.